In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide Anydesk from the taskbar in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want a cleaner desktop while using Anydesk, especially when the app is maximized and you don't want the local taskbar showing at the bottom of the screen. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and guides. Now let's get started. First, open Anydesk on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Anydesk icon from your desktop, your start menu, or wherever you normally launch the app from. Once Anydesk is open, look toward the top of the window and find the menu icon. This is usually where you'll access the main settings and preferences for the app. Click the menu icon, then choose Settings from the list of options. This will open the Settings panel where you can adjust different Anydesk preferences. Inside Settings, go to the General section. This is where the basic display and behavior options are usually stored. Scroll through the general settings until you find the option that says Hide Local Taskbar if Anydesk window is maximized. When you see it, simply tick that checkbox to enable it. Once this option is turned on, Anydesk should hide the local taskbar whenever the Anydesk window is maximized, giving you a cleaner and more focused view. If you don't see the change right away, try maximizing the Anydesk window again so the setting can take effect properly. That's it. The taskbar is now hidden while Anydesk is maximized. It's a small adjustment, but it can make remote sessions look much neater and help you focus on the work in front of you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.